up, guys? Today we are going to be flooding the DONUT SMP because if your team's greener than your team orbital, so let's get into it. Like and subscribe. One of my friends, right? They went their team orbital currently, because they want the DONUT SMP to restart, which is fair. But if Dr. Donut really wants to save the server, guys, then he has to be Team Flood. Because that's the only way to prevent Team Orbital by flooding DONUT SMP, so that's why I'm now draining DONUT SMP to help Team Orbital. Because, I mean, yeah, I made a flooding video, but I never ended up posting it, and now the file's deleted. I deleted it. But I accidentally made a draining machine in that video. So, yeah. Just trying to find flood. Oh, whoops, I leaked my coordinates. I don't have much time. Well, I do. I have a few hours, but I'll probably do this video like my Mastering Make PvP video in different sections, like different bits. So, yeah. Also, I don't know why I did an intro when I've already done the intro, so that was kind of silly, but it's okay. Like, we don't have enough, you know, floods. Because I RTP and find, like, 0 flooding. I haven't even seen an orbital cannon or whatever. Have you guys seen the new, there's like an orbital strike cannon that I saw ages ago, and then other people started reacting to it, and I saw it, and like 200 blocks is all it takes to build an orbital strike cannon, and they're making a smaller one, and the craziest thing is that this orbital strike cannon can work on DONUT SMP, and can but it's not like all the angles that you can use it from. I so badly want to, and they're trying to build a smaller one, by the way, that works on DONUT SMP, so paper servers. I honestly want to see them build like an orbital strike cannon like that small, and then like it'd be working on DONUT SMP or whatever, like that small, and you'll be able to use it in all angles. What is my luck with getting floods? Like, I actually never see any floods. I want to drain the DONUT SMP so then people can nuke it, you know? Dr. Donut literally, if he wants to save the DONUT SMP, he has to flood the server, by the way. Like, what is my luck? This is the thing about trying to drain the DONUT SMP, guys, because like, you have to actually find a flood, and I don't know why I get so unlucky with finding floods, and especially when I'm trying to drain the DONUT SMP. I barely even play the server anymore. Oh, okay. This looks like a big flood. Why did I do that? Holy. Stop it! What is that? I don't have pulse. Fudge. so weird just seeing dirt everywhere? Wait, is that the flooding machine that they built? Oh. This is so weird. This is such a weird flood. That's another flood. Okay, so... This is going to be hard because, yeah. Okay, no, that's wrong. Oh, this is too low, I think. It's kind of annoying because you have to know where to build it. I believe this is how you build it. Oh my god. This grading machine doesn't really work, but then again, I think I've been building it wrong. Hang on, let me make sure I know how to build it. Yeah, okay. I guess this one isn't really meant for draining because it's only worked one time when I put in water. Wait, no, I didn't even put in water, that's why. Oh my, okay. No, I'm being silly. Fudge, my pickaxe! Yes! No! Holy cell of a lifetime. Oh. What even is that? I think it's meant to be a TNT duper, but it failed. 90% of the time it doesn't work. My life is a pain. I guess I'm Team Flood now. Flooding the Donut SMP! I'm changing this video to flooding the Donut SMP, and I'm not kidding. I guess I want to save the Donut SMP, you know? In today's video, I am going to be flooding the Donut SMP. I wish there was an easier way you could go up. There is. Dr. Donut! I know Dr. Donut's streaming at this time, guys, so... yeah. I want to have an RTP counter for when I try to find that flood, by the way. Guys, I'm not even kidding. I want to have an RTP counter for that. Because how many RTPs was that? Dr. Donut joined the game twice apparently, guys. Isn't that crazy? It didn't even say he left. Oh my god. He is so skilled. There was a guy that me and my friend, we were TPing a streamer white, and their name was Stolen Airfire. And I'm not gonna lie, he wanted us to pull his pearl, and then the next day when I woke up, the base got leave. I accidentally killed them, by the way. But it wasn't because of that. I was setting up a new stasis chamber and they were at the base. And then the bedroll got leaked for a single second and there was 3 tunnels into our base, and I'm like, oh my days. And so that's how our base only lasted a day. I just fall. Yo, first try! I clicked 4 instead of Z. Because my 5th slot is Z now. And I don't know how I messed that up so badly. Flood! I think this tower is literally like bigger than the new thing. Slowly DONUT SMP, la 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 la. Make sure its downfall happens, la 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 la. What team is Dr. Donut? Because is Dr. Donut still Team Flood? I meant Team Dwayne. Like, bro, Dr. Donut messed up by being Team Dwayne. He wants the server to get destroyed. I don't think he understands. Because, literally, Team Orbital, you can't repair, basically. Team Flood, you can at least drain it, like... Because Team Orbital will have way more damage, and if you want to repair it, you have to, like, spend, like, literally... hours, if not days, or years, or weeks, or months of your time, just to fill one hole. That's why we have to flood if we want to save the server, you know? You know my hobby on DONUT SMP used to be just like build farms on the server. I built a trainer! No! Oh my days! How do I actually land that? Oh my god. If you didn't know, guys, crouching with a water bucket, you can save your fuel on leaves. So it doesn't waterlog. So I literally just saved myself from popping a $92,000 total. Used to be 200k yesterday. I'm glad it's not. Okay, well, I'll make sure not to make the same mistake as I made 10 years ago. That was not 10 years ago. Holy exaggeration. sometimes forget the water. Sometimes just calm building these. Like, it's just so calm. I think I messed that one up. Yeah, I did. To be fair, this one was really bad. I just said absolutely nothing off the water bucket clutching that. Messing this up. 1 hour, I think, of me recording the video, holy. Yes! Finally, I don't miss it all. Wait, the other floating machine that I failed earlier stopped. That I accidentally made van. Wait, 103K? Holy! $99,000, holy. Is this video become how many totems can I pop? Why is this one quicker than this one? Dr. Donut Bar, what are you doing? Apparently Dr. Donut be tweaking. All I see in chat, Dr. Donut, join the game! Wow, why does it finally show Dr. Donut left the game only one time, by the way? Look at my chat. Dr. Donut joined the game. Dr. Donut joined the game. Dr. Donut joined the game. Dr. Donut joined the game like a billion times. And then Dr. Donut left the game and then joined the game. What? Dr. Donut? Is Dr. Donut thinking? Wait, no, my fault. I am saying his name wrong. It's Dr. Coconut. I also built it the wrong way in the first place. You know, It's Real Me has a channel, guys. I think it's actually the It's Real Me channel. Gotta make sure these still work. Wait, what? Why is this getting drained, huh? This one's the only one that's working. Wait, no, none of them are working. What the hell? They always work, but now they don't. Like, I'll go in the creative world right now. Okay, and then I do... I did build that one, but it worked. So I was like, and it's like way too big, so if it's not gonna work properly, then what's the point? Wait, actually, I'm gonna change the direction. You see, and it's not draining. So like, what confuses me is why does it not work in DONUT SMP? Because I'm doing the exact same thing, by the way. Whoops. But like you see, it does work, guys. Like what? I might need to find a new thing. Because I did build this, but I was too lazy. think Dr. Donut might have patched that like version of Flutter, I guess, or something, because in DONUT SMP it doesn't work, and it did work, but now it doesn't apparently, and it's working on my survival world. So yeah. Anyways, guys, that's probably going to be the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. No, make sure to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy actually, and peace.